Welcome everybody, my name is Adam, also known as the Swedish car guy. Today we're gonna go to Halmstad, to one of the last car meets there. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when I release a new video, since I have noticed that a lot of people actually not have clicked on the bell. So it would be much appreciated if you would press that so you can see every video I release. And I wish a great Sunday, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let's go!
Prepare to die. Prepare to die.
And right now I'm back from Halmstad. So which car was your favorite of this video? Don't forget to comment in the comment section. And I wish you all a great Sunday. And if you're new to the channel, I normally do car reviews, car meets, and my own product car. But you already know that. But don't forget to give the video a like, and I wish all of you a great Sunday. Take care. Bye.
Brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.